Are you someone who is currently suffering with cough or really thinking of how to naturally cure in the initial stages of cough? Then this video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Shamla. So this YouTube channel is all about a quick 10-minute short videos on my experiences on different situations. It is professional, educational and health relevant. Do share, like and subscribe to this channel and spread a word on this channel. So let the knowledge spread to everyone else and let it help to everyone. This video is all about top 4 tips I would like to give on how to cure cough in the initial stages itself naturally without any tablets or anything. Okay, this is purely as per what I have tried myself and it has really worked out well. So do try it out and let me know in the comments as to how it really worked out. Then what are we waiting for? Then let's start with the video. My first tip is khada tea or kashaya, what we call in Kannada. See, this recipe is very simple. Okay, this I would highly recommend. Consume it in the morning once you do your workout or anything. Just consume it in a little quantity in the morning, and then before you sleep, after your dinner, after you have your dinner, after around like 1 or 2 hours before you sleep, before 1 hour before you sleep, at least consume this. So that would create a good effect to it. I'll just tell you how this tea is prepared. First thing is take take 1 or 2 betel leaves. Okay, first take a pan and then add a glass of water to it. While the water starts boiling, add 1 or 2 betel leaves and then a little bit of rock salt and then like 1 or 2 small slices of garlic and then 1 or 2 pieces of black pepper. Let it boil very well, where the color of the khada tea or the kashaya, it should turn like a goldenish color. Okay, so let it boil. So once it's boiled and it's turned goldenish color, serve it, drain it with a draining equipment, and then drain the whole kashaya. And then to that khada tea, add either a jaggery or honey and mix it well and drink it. I would highly recommend, if you feel the cough is really starting at the very initial stages, drink it at least for 5 to 6 days consistently in the morning. Again, as I said, before you have your breakfast and then after you do your workouts and all, if you're like a person who does workouts and everything, and then or during your coffee time whenever you have, or else during night time 1 hour before you sleep, I would highly recommend drink this for continuously for 5 to 6 days to see its maximum benefits. Again, in between, when you feel the cough is about to start in a very initial stages, I highly recommend avoid oily items. Don't drink dairy products. It might seem a bit hard, but dairy products tends to increase cough, so you need to avoid dairy products like curd, milk, paneer, nothing. You have to avoid all oily items, all outside food, snack items completely. And also one more thing, avoid fruits. It might sound like, what does fruits do? But actually fruits tend to increase cold and cough. So whenever you're having cough and cold, fruits should be completely avoided. Okay, so these are some of the pro tips I would like to give when you want to cure your initial stages of cough at the very initial stage itself. So this is my first tip. My second tip is saltwater goggling. See, here with saltwater goggling, again, this also I would like to recommend you to do 5 to 6 days, once in the morning and once before you sleep. Okay, so here you will just take a glass of warm water, add some rock salt or a white salt, mix it well and goggle it. Okay, so do this 5 to 6 days, both in the morning after you brush your teeth, and then in the night time before, like when you cleanse yourself, right, like you do your face wash or brushing before you sleep, right, at that point of time goggle and then go to sleep. That will help you clear the initial stages of cough itself then and there. Okay, this is my second tip. My third tip is take hot water steam. What do I mean by this is, take a pan, like a big vessel, add almost like water where it's like almost full with that particular vessel, add a tap water, let that tap water boil. Okay, once it starts boiling, with that add some, if you have like an amrutanjan or iodex, okay, add it. But I don't recommend Vicks, because Vicks, it is said it's like a bit of slow poison, so I don't suggest Vicks. Take some amrutanjan or iodex, not like one big spoon. You can't take the steam, it starts really like creating a burning sensation throughout your face. Take just this much of iodex or amrutanjan, add it to that boiling water and close the plate. Okay, let it start boiling so much that the whole vessel is like completely hot and the water would have boiled really well. Then take that vessel, take a blanket, and then just cover up yourself, and then take the whole steam. Okay, that would in fact help you to clear out both the cough and cold altogether. Okay, and then this also helps you clear your throat thing, because whenever you, it's like, you know, whenever you get cold first, cough comes automatically. It's like buy one get one free, so it automatically comes most of the time, what I have seen and observed. So this is like an overall remedy for both cough and cold. Okay, so take the steam. This I highly recommend. Do it at least like again twice, because to get the maximum benefits of it. Okay, so at least do it like around 5 to 6 days. Okay, once in the morning and then once during the night time, just in the initial stage. If you feel like it's in a very initial stage, I suggest take it like only during the night time before you sleep. But if you feel it's a bit going intense, I suggest at least 5 to 6 days, take steam in the morning and then before you sleep. So this is my third tip. And then my fourth tip is hot vegetable soups. See, I totally understand during cough and cold there is a lot of restrictions for you to think what to eat and what not to eat, but that is how it works. Because if you want to cure the cough and cold initially, instead of letting it lead to like an influenza and to an intense cough where it starts impacting till your heart and everything, so in order to cure in the initial stage itself, you have to take this precaution. One such recipe, what I would like to suggest during cough and cold, to just remove it, like just to clear it out in the initial stage itself, is hot vegetable soup. So there are in YouTube, there would be many recipes, okay, on hot vegetable soup, which actually helps you clear your throat very easily. It's stomach filling, as well as it clears your whole throat, because that vegetable soup would have black pepper, it would have all the spices which will actually go in friendly with curing the cough and cold. So I would highly suggest go for vegetable soups and then drink tomato soups. Okay, but I suggest don't go for any breadcrumbs. Again, all these bakery products and bread products, it will increase cough. Okay, so don't go for soups with breadcrumbs and bread and all, but I suggest go with only warm vegetable soups. Even you can drink like tomato soup, or else like a more spicier soups. You would have like a lot of recipes in YouTube, but I suggest don't go with any breadcrumbs, or with, if you are drinking like a Chinese macho soup, don't go with those macho sticks. No, that will increase cough. Only go with the soup. Okay, that only soup will clear, but not with that macho sticks and all. So this is my fourth tip I would like to give. So these are my top 4 recommendations for you to cure in the initial stage itself with your cold and cough. I hope this video sound useful to you. This is purely tried and tested by me, and it has really worked out for me well. So do let me know how effective this remedy was in the comments, and so even I can come up with more health videos, health tips on what are the things I would follow, and that would really be helpful to you, right? So put in the comments as to how it really worked out for you. So do let me know what are the other kind of videos or the health videos what you want in the comments. So I would really take it very seriously and come up with the videos and everything. So I hope this video was helpful. Do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video then. Bye.